All right, let's jump right into it. What I'm going to go through is how I do the WGU's writing. In this example, I'm just going to template for task 3. So here in task 3, we could read through the requirements, but what I'm after is this piece right here. So in a Word document or Google Docs is what I'm using right now. What I'm going to be doing is taking from the rubric these things, and all I'm doing is copy and pasting this piece just like this. So I'm going to be doing this and then show you what I do with it.
I just rather be alone in my zone writing poems. When I get in, I take a shower, read a book and feel empowered. Smoking on that sour got me counting down the hours, thinking of all the shit that they could do but won't allow us. Then I realize they all some cowards. The world is ours. Me and my brother twin like the towers, and we want it now, never later. No more favors done with all these traitors who be haters on the low. They just hate to see you grow, so I'd rather be alone in my zone writing.
Now that all that is done, I'll go back through. If you look up here, or heading, I want to use H2, just Control-Alt-2.
So let us breathe in. CH, you change, but a bunch of people feelings. Reaching for the top, and now I ain't got no ceilings. Pour me up a cup or two so it can stop the bleeding. Roll me up a spliff or two, and now I'm hella weeded. Cause I'm feeling like I want it, but I don't know if I need it. Took a few L's, but that undefeated. Same shit, different day. Why this so repeated? If we don't talk no more, it's probably cause I felt mistreated. Bad enough I don't hear excuses. Trust me, you could keep it. Saw it coming from a mile away once I peeped.
So I find this to be a lot easier to work with. Once I have this done, then I can put this work on task 2 or task 1. But every writing exercise in the WGU degree plan. So if we look at this, so network design, anything with a O is a test, and then everything with a P has a paper. So if we go into security one that I've already done, here in network design, and look at tasks, and this is how they break it down. Again, what I did was just copy the A, B, C all the way down. You get the supplemental documents that you look through, charts, and this one you needed Visio to come up with one of these. You needed a network diagram or something like that. Really simple to do. Look at submissions, then you look at my submission real quick. So again, Companies A's problem, what was it? Companies A's network problem, ZenMap and Open VAS. There you go. So what this does also is it really helps the people that are grading your paper to specifically look at this specific section for that rubric requirement. All right. So then all you got to do once you have this is start writing. That's basically what I do is just start writing after, researching and stuff like that. But now I have a key focus on where I'm going with this. Evaluation report. Submission. So here's attempt 1. Right here they'll tell you what's wrong with your paper. So you go back into that section of your paper and you correct that. I think this one was, I did not submit the copy of the scans. I forgot to put it I put it as supplemental documentation, but I did not put it as a screenshot in my paper itself. So that's why I got sent back. Again, everything else was compliant. So then I go back in to that section, I fix what I need to fix, I resubmit it, and it comes back green. So that is basically all we need to do. All right, I hope this has been helpful. Again, if you have any questions, down in the comments, let me know, and I'll answer them as I can.
Caught up in that drama, mama, I don't get between it. They be trying to turn it on you, damn, they really tweaking. We broke, but we wealthy in ability, and hopes fits. No, we only need the brokerage. We only overage, overseeing all the dope. Killing these cats with they facilities. Flush down the drain, leaning through all 8 lives till that become they centerpiece. Unfold and be a masterpiece at half of all our faculties. We actually dope, we just don't know the half of we.